Alright guys, we got a little Supreme Lacoste Fanny pack unboxing for you. We're going to do a little try on. See how it is, see how it looks. Hope y'all like the video and subscribe.
Supreme Lacoste, we got the black one. Wanted the handbag, but I'm actually glad we got this one instead because I like it a little more. I think it's hard. You're going to see how we wear it. And yeah. What are we working with?
Hit him with it.
Man, that's that Lacoste. Yeah, that's nice. Get that detail. Focus on that. Talk to him, G.
So here we got a little strap. Lacoste Supreme Pro.
You don't even know what shit is. We just buy it. You get some
kind of stickers.
Fire.
Three.
Damn, they give you three.
Three buggers.
That's
wow.
crazy. Hey, show them the collection, boy. Put that with the collection.
I walk over here.
Yeah, walk over here and see what you're working with.
A little shoe collect. Sold a few bugger stickers a day, so we're a little low, but we're running with it.
For sure, for sure. Yeah, shit, no, I like that. Black waistband, Lacoste Supreme. That's hard.